Hello everyone, this is Mike with Credit Repair USA. Boy, how times have changed ever since I did my last video for you folks. The retail industry has been abandoned and brick and mortar are no longer the opportunity they used to be, and the tax industry is too seasonal and everything is moving towards the tech industry. So what better opportunity do you have than to join a tech-driven credit repair company that runs a 100% tech-driven, full automation credit repair system? That's us, Credit Repair USA. No dispute letters, no contacting creditors, no settling of debt. A tech-driven platform that allows new agents to plug into our processes and focus on growth instead of dealing with dispute letters. We offer 100% commission contracts for all new credit agents that join our team. Since the beginning of 2020, we offer all new agents 3 revenue streams under one roof: credit repair, debt elimination, and our credit card program. Not to mention, every new agent, once their websites have been built, will receive 600 credit repair leads. We have also lowered our costs to join our team and have implemented a buddy system. So from day one, you'll feel a part of a team instead of being left on an island to fend for yourself. For those agents who want to go nationwide, we also provide credit agent leads, so the opportunity to build a very successful credit repair company is right at your fingertips. The question is, are you going to do something about it or just continue down the path of most resistance? We've built the platform and offer the highest payouts in the industry. It's now up to you to join us. We have in-house financing available to make it affordable for everyone to join our team of over 900 agents nationwide. This is it. The time is now. The credit repair industry has never been this hot, and it won't be slowing down anytime soon. We look forward to seeing you on our next corporate conference call. You may contact us via this franchise page or directly through our corporate website at www.creditrepair.usa.us. Again, we thank you and wish everyone a blessed day. We hope this message finds you in good spirits. We look forward to having you join the Credit Repair USA team. See you soon.